Good day friends, my name is Dr. Shweta Goyal and now here I am going to explain you universal gate. I will explain how can we call NAND and NOR gate as a universal gate. First we will talk about NOR gate. NOR gate symbol is this and the output is this. When both the input is 0, when we get the output. If any input is 1, we are not able to get the output. So NOR as a NOT gate. NOT gate is the inversion of input. So simply we do NOT gate, simply we do single output, or we can say we short the both input. So in this output will be the inversion of input. So this is a NOT gate. NOR gate as a OR gate. So here OR gate is A plus B. So and the NOR gate is A plus B whole bar. So if we give this A plus B whole bar by a inverter, then we are able to get the A plus B. So as the NOT gate output is given, input is given the NOT gate, NOR gate as a NOT gate. So we are given the inversion. So A plus B is given to the NOR. Then the double bar will be eliminated. Then A plus B. So this is a NOR gate, OR gate. Now NOR gate is an AND gate. By the De Morgan's theorem we can say A plus B ka whole bar is equal to A double bar plus B double bar. That can be eliminates A plus B. So A plus B is the AND gate. So the A bar is given by this. A is shorted and A bar. B is shorted, then B bar. Both A bar B bar is given by the NOR gate. So A bar B bar is given by the NOR gate. So this is the A plus B. You can check from the De Morgan's theorem. Now if you want to make NOR gate as a NAND gate, okay, this is the AND gate, and if you want to NAND gate is A dot B ka whole bar. So A plus B ka whole bar can be do by adding a inverter by this circuit. So this is A bar B bar given by this A dot B bar, and one inverter A dot B bar, and one inverter is given by this. So A plus A dot B. So one inverter is given by this will be A dot B bar. So this will be the NAND gate. So NOR gate as a NAND gate can be used. Now very important topic, XOR by NOR gate. XOR explained by the NOR gate. So here this is a symbol for, this is a circuit for XOR gate. So here A is given to one NOR gate and one to the other NOR gate. B is given to the same NOR gate and another NOR gate. This will be A plus B whole bar, because A, this is a NOR gate. So A plus B whole bar. Now one is given to this, one is given to this. So A is given to this and A plus B whole bar. So this is a NOR gate. So this will make A plus B ka whole bar, because this is NOR gate, and this will be B plus B ka whole bar. Now this is the explanation of this. By De Morgan's theorem you can check A dot A plus B A bar. This will be the De Morgan's theorem. This will be. Now this double bar will be eliminated. A dot B A plus B. So it can be A bar A plus A bar B. So this is here A bar A equal to 0. So this will be A bar B. Now this is here B plus B A plus B ka whole bar. So B bar dot A plus B whole bar. So B dot plus A plus B double bar is eliminated. Now B bar A plus B bar B. B bar B equal to 0. So this will be B bar A. So this will be A bar B and this will be B bar A. So this will be given by given to the NOR gate. So this will be A bar B plus A B bar. So this is a equation of XOR gate. So this is the equation of XOR gate. So if you want to make XNOR gate is a inversion of XOR gate. So if you make this signal by a inverter, you can make XNOR gate. Okay, this is the XOR, and if you make one inverter also, this will make XNOR gate by using NOR gate. Now we will talk about NAND gate using as a universal gate. So NAND gate, this is a symbol of NAND gate, is an inversion of AND gate. So AB 00011011 output is there if any input is 0. Okay, now NAND gate is a NOT gate. NOT gate is an inversion of input. So simply we do the input shorted. So we short the input. So A is Y will be the A bar. Now NAND gate as a AND gate. AND gate, basically NAND gate is an inversion of AND gate. So we do the double bar, then we get the AND gate. So this will be A bar B, AB bar, AB whole bar. So if we give this from to the inverter, so we get the double bar. This will be the A dot B. So an AND gate as a AND gate. Now NOR gate, OR gate. So by De Morgan's theorem, A bar B, A dot B bar whole bar, that is A double bar plus B double bar will be eliminate A plus B. So this will be simplified by the circuit diagram. So A bar will be this, A B bar will be this, because as a NOT gate, so A bar B bar. Now A bar B bar is given to the NAND gate, so this will be given to the NAND gate, and this will be the equation by using a NAND gate. Now if you want to explain NOR gate using NAND gate, so simply you have to do by using inverter. So it will be A dot B ka this will be A plus B ka whole bar. Okay, so this will be the NOR gate. Okay, now another is NAND gate X by for XOR gate. So here like a NOR gate, one input is given to the NAND gate, another is given to the different NAND gate. One input is given to same NAND gate and another different NAND gate. So the output of this will be the A dot B bar. Now one input is given to this and another is different. So output will be this A dot B ka whole bar, and this will be this B dot A B whole bar. So you can check from this A dot A bar A B bar whole bar will be by De Morgan's theorem A bar plus A B double bar. This will be eliminated because of double bar. So A bar plus A B by distributive law, A bar plus A B equals to A bar B. Now as it is, B dot A B whole bar will be B bar plus A B whole bar. So B bar plus AB by distributive law, B bar plus AB is B bar A. So this will be the answer. So here we get the output like this will be, here we get A bar plus B, and here A B bar plus A. So both are given to the NAND gate, A bar B and B bar A. So here you get this. Now if you simplify this, A bar B using NAND gate, I have explained here. So A bar B plus AB bar ka whole bar, because this is NAND gate, so we are not removing this. A bar A plus A bar B bar plus A bar B A plus B bar B. This will be 0 and this will be 0 because A bar A. So we have got this A bar B bar plus AB whole bar. So this whole bar is the NOR gate. So this is a NOR gate. And if you want to remove this NOR gate, you simply do one NAND gate here. So this will be the XOR gate because it will be the double bar. So double bar will be removed. So A bar B plus AB bar. This is our NAND gate use for XOR or XNOR gate. So this is my session for universal gate. If you have any query regarding this session, please comment me in a comment box. I will explain there. Thank you. Good day. Subscribe my channel for more videos.